Welcome back to Primetime Sports Monday. Now, amidst rising incidents of fan-based violence against athletes and officials in recent years, local sports authorities are calling on clubs and institutions to step up efforts to curb the worrying behavior. Damon Dunkley tells us more.
With the disturbing issue of football fans physically abusing players and officials becoming commonplace in Jamaica in recent years, local football stakeholders are calling for the matter to be addressed with urgency. This season alone, there was a beer bottle thrown at Chapperton Maroons goalkeeper Prince Daniel Smith during a Premier League fixture against Waterhouse FC. Smith, who received a 4-match ban, wants more protection for players.
More security guard and more police in the stadium, but it's kind of hard for them deal with it in a quick succession. It take time, so we can't really blame JPL. The man who throw the back, you have to blame, because only part of people there and them not throw back.
Following another incident, referees withdrew their services from schoolboy football matches due to safety concerns after players attacked one of their own during the Dacosta Cup match between McGrath and Dintle Technical High School in the just concluded season. FIFA referee instructor Peter Prendergast, who weighed in on the issue, suggested ways to address the matter.
It's not that they really want to be nasty or angry, it's just the passion. So the clubs can help by messages before the start of the game and during the game, and to let them know that if they do things that can create a problem for the club, then the club may not have games at that venue. So we're putting some of the responsibility on the clubs, not necessarily on the spectators themselves.
CEO of the Professional Football Jamaica Limited, Owen Hill, who believes that fan-based violence is a challenge across multiple sporting disciplines, says there are sanctions to prevent such incidents.
What we try to do is to educate the players. Secondly, what we try to do is to put systems in place, measures, policies, etc. to fines are actually levied. So in the rules and regulations of the Jamaica Premier League, there are fines for issues like that, and oftentimes the home team, the team who is the host, they are the ones who incur these fines. So it is incumbent on them to also ensure that they try to control whoever are considered their own fans, and if there's any violence, etc.
JFF General Secretary Dennis Chung confirms that its disciplinary and ethics committee usually levies fines ranging from 50,000 to 100,000 Jamaican dollars and or suspensions for varying time periods. FIFA referee Odette Hamilton, who had to be escorted off the field by police after a bottle throwing incident during the 2019 Premier League final between Portmore United and Waterhouse, believes more can still be done to protect match officials.
So I think they're putting measures in place because at the games now they're having like announcers announcing about violence against referees and players and so forth, and they have up signs on the fences to say stop the violence and whatever. They are promoting more football rather than violence. So I think they're trying, but I think they could do more.
Meanwhile, one spectator, Dorrit Scott, says the actions of the referees sometimes cause the reaction of the fans.
Sometimes the team are playing, and we know that sometimes the baller them play rough. But sometimes we get an unfair call. Every time we play, either we get a red card or we hand down all 7 cards. And it's not necessary.
With the possibility of the JFF suspending venues or banning fans from attending games, the ball is now in the court of the clubs to control their supporters to avoid sanctions. Damon Dunkley, TVJ Sports.